What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be doing another iPad 11 case review. This time we're going to be looking at the Lumos X by Poetic. Let's check it out. As I said, this is the Lumos X. Now this is a case that I just got in. This is the 2019 lineup of cases from Poetic. As you can see, we have the Poetic branding right here, Poetic right down here at the bottom. Now, let's do a little bit of real estate on this case before we get the iPad actually in it. The front is like a plasticky material. On the inside, it's the same plastic, but it's more like a matte black, some matte finish. Now, this TPU is extremely different than the ones that we normally see. It's not hard, and it's not actually soft. It's just a flexible, rubbery TPU. Cutouts for the camera. You get your Poetic branding right back here on the back, like I said earlier, but this will bend. Now, I'm not going to talk about bending a whole lot just because I've done my rant in other case reviews. Just to let you know, the iPad can be bent, yes, if you put effort into it. If you're going to drop it down a flight of stairs, if you're going to sit on it, if you're going to pick it up and actually do it like this, it's going to bend. It's a piece of aluminum. With that being said, this case will bend. Now let's talk about one other spec that we really like. This has a pencil holder right there on the side. So you're going to be able to put your Apple Pencil in here and charge on the go. Now, has a magnetic front. You see that? I'm going to get the iPad in here, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it once we have the iPad fitted. See, in the corners snap in really easily. There we go. We have it snapped all the way in, and let's drop the pencil in there just for good measure. There we go. Apple Pencil charging is a go. It's on deck, and we will close it, and let's open it. Auto sleep wake functionality. We got it. So two of the major things that I really am looking for in a case. Does it do sleep wake? Yes. Does it charge my pencil? Yes. One other feature of this pencil holder is right here at the bottom. If you don't want your pencil right there, you can stand it up just like that. Now, I probably won't be standing my pencil up that much in this case, but you do have that option if you choose. So two things right off the bat that I really like about this case. Next thing, you know how I like to see my Apple branding. There we go. We have that. Plus we have Poetic branding, and we have the Poetic stamp of approval right there. Camera sits in this nice recess. Not gonna get a whole lot of issues out of that. Buttons are nice, clicky, tactile. Speakers up top show really well. They're open. Microphones are open. Down bottom, speakers are open, as well as charging port is a go. If you take this trifold stand, flip it back, you get a landscape orientation. Move it to the side so you can see. I'm not lying to you. You get a true landscape orientation. If you take this and you set it down, you now get typing mode. Boom. There you go. So for productivity, for entertainment, you have the perfect case. Like I said, this is the Lumos X from Poetic. I'll be sure and leave a link below in the description so that you can go and pick up one of these. Hope this is able to help someone. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you more cases every week. As soon as I get my hands on them, you will know about them. So until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.